Kia ora anō, Sharon Holt here again. I've had another request for the pronunciation of Pukekohe and Waiau pa. So the reason people are asking about these is because they're commonly mispronounced. This one is commonly called Pukekohe and this is commonly pronounced Waiau pa, Waiau. Not very attractive, is it? So I'll explain how you get to this. And I'm really hoping that with these instructions you'll be able to pronounce any place name in New Zealand that you're wondering about. So with the vowels, it's always a, e, or u. A, e, or u. And if there's a macron, a little bit longer. A, e, or u. And that's the key. So just break everything up after every vowel. Pu, ke, and if you can't remember then go a, e, or, ko, he. Pukekohe, Pukekohe. Now this one has got 4 vowels in a row. It appears to me as if this is Y for water and that leaves O. So you could say Waiau, but it will always turn into Y and then O. AU is always pronounced O. Waiau, Waiau pa, Waiau pa. Cool. Practice on your own towns and cities and see whether you can use those tips, a, e, or u, to pronounce your place names correctly. Ka kite.